Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and run DVC pipelines for reproducible ML step by step clearly. To download and run DVC pipelines for reproducible machine learning, begin by ensuring you have Git and DVC installed on your system. Open your terminal and clone the desired repository using the command git clone followed by the repository URL. Navigate into the clone directory using cd and the repository name. Once inside the directory, check for a DVC configuration file by typing DVC version to ensure DVC is recognized. If DVC is set up, pull the data files tracked by DVC using the command DVC pull. This command retrieves the necessary data and artifacts defined in the DVC pipeline. Next, view the DVC pipeline by executing DVC pipeline show. This step displays the various stages of the pipeline, allowing you to understand the workflow. Run the DVC pipeline using the command DVC repro. This command reproduces the stages of the pipeline, ensuring each step is executed in order. You can monitor the output in the terminal to track the progress of each stage. Once the pipeline completes, review the results in the specified output directories. Check for generated model files or metrics that confirm the successful execution of the pipeline. To explore different versions of the pipeline, use Git to switch branches or check out different commits. Each branch may contain different configurations or stages for reproducible experiments. If you encounter any errors during execution, consult the DVC documentation for troubleshooting tips. Document any changes you make to the pipeline for future reference. This practice ensures transparency and reproducibility in your machine learning projects. In summary, following these steps allows you to efficiently download and run DVC pipelines for reproducible machine learning workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.